from this to this. Kuna na.
Mama, yung uwa. Masusunog muna ako dito. Masusunog ako dito. Video di hadi. Baby, man ako sige. Video di man ako. Son, doon naman na ako doon. Na ako ang susado.
This is they call it garden. It turns to
Video di. Kundi sudado.
fertilizer. Oh.
May aso! Your mother's there, baby.
Will become fertilizer after.
Madim, ipon sa asong manang.
Wow. English tayo.
English, come on.
English
So,
come
baby,
on.
madid is, you see? My, your mom is there, you see? Pangit. Doon mo. Pangit.
Video yung background na. From here, there, like that. Wow.
Ano, impalag tayo tayo, Bumbay. Bumbay. Ala! Hindi man ako pa ya. Anak ko sige. Matinag. Ang kaya ako sa video. Ay, next episode. So, well. Uy, may bata doon, guys.
Amom yay duwa nga line nga pakasta. Post na diyay. Post.
Ay. Yun no, yun manakaw doon, yun. Magnanakaw. Yun no, eh. Ay, video rin ako manang dyan na madim. Madim.
That is my merienda.
Lang kasi, ate.
Doon te ibus-ibus my merienda.
Ali! Don't eat my member. Yan, trabaho for a day.
There are so many kids surrounded by me. They are vlogging with me. Wow.
Vlog for a day.
Sana all.
Kain pa more.
Hoy, kain pa more. Balon ko na ita. That is my merienda.
Hoy, hindi sa'yo yan, te.
Kayo as merienda, kayo mangan. Ganun. Hoy, mapanaman yung Bombay. Kasula ka lang. Ano manin. Dati po, dita. Ano ako. Dita makita na ka na yung ulig. Ikan. Karumuan. Yung ulo mabadikam. Tachoo! And then corn. I will turn these weeds and then turn the weeds into vegetable. I will put some kamote. You see that one? That is emergency in the fish pan. My fish pond is very dirty. I need to clean it. That one, you see the vegetable there? That is the emergency. The Yuma people called it emergency. I don't know the English. What is the English, by the way? Hindi pa nagango. So I need to napay di pukul ko. What?
What you say?
Na,
You see flavor.
see this one? This is so very devastating. I hate this one, you see? This
I
is a
don't like
flower.
that. Pangit.
Yes, this is a flower. This one, oh, you see this one? This is the actual style. But the color of the flower is white. So
Wow.
very smelly. They like that, oh, the other one there.